Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing a quick video tutorial and that is on a technique to mat corner pockets, so the triangly shaped corner pockets, and you will find those in my latest Christmas project. That is a mini folio. Now I will show you that in another video, but for today let me quickly point out these pockets. Hopefully that this will show. All right, so these kinds of pockets here and there, so these triangularly shaped ones, and how to mat those. So that is the technique video for this week. Let's go. So here you see two corner pockets that I already cut, and of course I'm going to show you how I did that by cutting the mat for you, which is exactly the same method. So what I want to show you first is how this actually works. So if I turn this over, you'll see that this fits exactly. So what I actually did was cut a rectangle and then cut diagonally. And then I rounded the corners, but that's a detail. So for the mat, we're going to do the same. So you take measurements for your mat, for the rectangle that is. So you just measure horizontally and vertically. You cut yourself a mat, which I already did. So this fits exactly here. And now the only thing I need to do is cut it diagonally, which I'm going to do now. So I place the camera in a different angle. Hopefully you can see everything that I do. So I'm placing this piece diagonally onto the cut line, and this here is the edge along which my paper trimmer blade will roll. I have a roller blade. So let's see. So I'm gonna put this down carefully, otherwise my camera will fall. So now I'm gonna make sure that the points here, the corners, are exactly flush with that edge, that cutting edge. I'm going to press down very firmly because I don't want this to move, and then I'm going to cut. And there you go. So this fits like this. So here you can see again what I did. So just cutting it diagonally. I am going to round the two corners, of course, to fit my particular corner pocket. I'm using a corner chomper for that. By We Are Memory Keepers. So now they fit exactly. And there you go. Now there's one other thing you need to know. If you cut it like this, you will have two symmetrical, or actually the same triangles, whereas with your cardstock, well, the same goes there, of course, when you cut those. But what you can do with cardstock, and what you will do most of the times, is turn one over, and now you have two mirrored corner pockets. You can't do, and this is what I'm going to do in my project. So I have two corner pockets right opposite each other. However, then these won't fit because on the other side there's a different pattern. So if you want to do two opposite corners, so mirrored actually, you will have to do another set. So let me show you the difference. And here you can see that I did my cut in the other direction. See? So this is southwest to northeast, as it were, and this is northwest to southeast. And that fixes your problem. And now you can actually make 4 if you want to, because you can use these two on the other sides, for instance, and do 2 more mirrored corners if you like. In my case, I am at least going to use these 2 and mat my mirrored corner pockets. And yeah, so now you have 2 tricks. One is how to cut the triangle mat in the first place, and 2 is how to do them mirrored. All right. Then we're back. So here are the 2 mirrored pockets that I just created. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and are now equipped to do your own corner pockets and mat them in triangle shapes. So have fun creating your projects, guys, especially for Christmas. It's that time of the year again, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.